Okay, so today I want us to introduce something different, and um, let's see how to start this. Okay, let me get this one straight like that. Yeah, I think I should be okay. All right, I don't look that good, but don't worry about the looks. Okay, so here we go. So today I want us to introduce something different. Very nice. You'll be encountering these kind of problems in life, and I like making my work neat. So I like to do it like that. So I guess you can be able to see on this demonstration. Okay, so I really want us to talk about something different today. So talk about how to write an inverse of a function. So if you have a function like, for example, y equal to maybe 3x plus 4. This is kind of easy function, but sometimes it can be so challenging when you ask about to write the inverse of this function. So some people don't know it. So what are we exactly talking about? So in this case, if you have a function like y equals to 3x plus 4, so how are you going about to write an inverse of this function? So this is what we do. Number one, so we write, so in place of y, we write x. So wherever we see y, we substitute it with x. And whenever we see our x, we substitute it with y. So that's what it means. So it means switch x and y values. So that's number one. So in this case, that will have, in place of y, we'll have x. So that means x is equals to what? 3y plus 4. Okay, so you have this function. So you have x is equals to 3y plus 4. So next thing you do is that now express y in terms of x. So y in terms of x, that means that's our equation from it comes to 3y is equivalent to x minus 4. So in this case we subtract 4, here we subtract 4 on both sides of the equation. And then lastly, now express or divide both sides by 3. That means basically make y the subject of the formula. So that means in this case 3y is x minus 3. So we divide by 3, we divide by 3, we divide by 3. Okay, so then we have y is equals to x minus 4 divided by 3. You can leave it as like this, or you can simplify it further as y is x divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 3. What does that mean? That means 1 over 3 of x. That means a third. So simply 1 over 3x minus 4 and 3. So what does this mean? This means this is the intercept. That's the intercept. So 1 on 3 is the intercept. So that's the x-intercept in this case. So that is, it's a very simple question, but I want us to talk about something at least complex. For example, so this is my question 1. Let's talk about another example here. Okay, so you have a function like hx equal to 2x minus 3 divided by x plus maybe 6. Okay, so this is somehow it has a division sign down the down. So we are going to write the inverse of this one. So the inverse of this function is hx inverse. That's how we write about it. So we are asking ourselves h of x inverse, what is it? Okay, so it goes without saying, just like we did our first equation. So let's say h of x is y. Okay, so we are saying y is equivalent to 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 6. Okay, so this is our equation. We are letting ourselves have y, so we substitute h of x to y. Okay, so I guess we are there. So the second step, like we said earlier, we switch the values of x and y. So then we have x is equal to 2y minus 3 divided by y plus 6. Okay, so we have x is 2y minus 3 on y plus 6. We can simplify this further. So we can have x multiplied by y plus 6. Remember, introduce the brackets, equals to what? 2y minus 3. Okay, so further this one comes xy plus 6x is 2y minus 3. Okay, then we can bring this 2y on this side of the equation. So we can have xy minus 2y. Okay, then we have minus 6x minus 3. Take it to the other side. Oh, okay, so we can factor the value of y in this case. So we have y into x minus 2 is equals to negative 6x minus 3. Okay, these are ones. Okay, so we can divide by x plus minus 2 on both sides. This is x minus 2. So we have y is minus 6x minus 3 divided by x minus 2. Okay, so I think we can be able to if we simplify this further, let's say we have 3. Let's factor out minus 3. So minus 3 into, so we have, this is 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Think we don't have any common factors here. So in these cases, we can just end it like that. So meaning we can write our final solution, h of x inverse is equivalent to what? Minus 3 into 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. So then this is our final solution to our equation. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up as you continue getting more channels or more YouTube videos to come. Thank you.